My name is Omid and I'm here to show you how I live in the city with a RadMini. All right, let's go ahead and unfold this thing. It really is super easy. All right, time to run some errands and get this little puppy some dog food. Hey, Weenie! All right, let's go. This thing has some zip. Yeah, it's just sometimes the pet store is just a little too far to walk away and I can just hop on this thing and get some food and we have a happy little wiener dog at home. I don't even need a pedal, just hit that throttle. That little wiener dog's gonna be jumping off the walls like a jelly bean. She's gonna be so excited when I get back. Bon appetit, Madame Polly.